Hello everyone! So I am really happy to be back today to be filming this video. I didn't think I'd, get a chance to do this so soon. But BTS released their Love Yourself Answer album and I found all four super easily at my local Target. Last time I went to two different Targets, a Hot Topic, and just it was all over the place. But this time they were all there just waiting for me. So I have all four copies, and as you can see, I do have my lamps on. Sorry, but I was not gonna wait until tomorrow. But you can just see the gorgeous covers thanks to the lights. Like this hollow is it's gorgeous. Oh my god. Like so nice. That's the back. And then the side for all four copies, and you can see the little hearts that align. So really excited. I am going to go in order. I'll do it this way. I don't know anything. Like last time the whole album spoilers came out where people got their orders early from Amazon. I have seen a couple photo cards, like I've seen the Jin photo cards, but apart from that I haven't seen really anything. This is a whole surprise, but I will only be unboxing the photo cards. I'm not here to do a really long video of the everything else. So I'm excited because I really don't know what's in here. So oh, okay, not expecting it to come with a poster, but it does. I'm gonna check to see if it's the first photo of the photo book like it was last time, so that I don't go and try and waste everyone's time trying to open this. I see the indent of the, I saw it here too, the circle indent of the CD. Don't really like that, but oh, it's so pretty. That is so pretty. Oh my god. When it first announced and everyone thought it was going to be pink, I didn't mind that at all. I thought that would be really cute. But this is gorgeous. I don't mind this at all. Oh my gosh. Okay, so opening it up, it has a CD on this side. It says A, and it has the heart on there. Very cute. And we are going to check to see if it is the first. It is not. Okay. Second photo. It looks, oh my god, there you go. There you go. Like, yes it is. Okay. So poster is the second photo of the album. Last time it was the first photo, so this is what the poster looks like. Really, oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. Namjoon. I can't really focus. Oh my god, so good. I keep moving you. I'm so sorry. Can you stay still? But anyways, we're here. Oh, I don't want to close my eyes. Is this everything? Oh, these stickers. Oh my god. Did we get stickers? Oh no, we got a standee on the other one, not stickers. We got stickers on the first one. These are cute. Oh my gosh, so you get like 2 stickers of every member. That is adorable. Oh my gosh. Ah, that's cute. And then this thing right here. The back has the booklet. So the notes that everyone saw in that Instagram photo. And the B CD. And that didn't give me my photo card though. Hello, where are you at? In the page with J-Hope. J-Hope. I got to do. This is my first Yoongi card. Cute. There's the back. All right. that is cute. That is cute. So. Okay. I just wanted a quick little flip through, but all right. So there's the first one. Oh my god. I'm just gonna. We're gonna do that because really, I don't want to. Don't make me hurt my goods. I'll move this over. I'm going to move to E because they are in order. Poster. Sorry, I have so much crap in my desk. I can't like organize it. Okay, so the CD. Anyways, the booklet is on that side. But they throw it. I swear to God, these things get thrown everywhere. Here's all the little good. The photo card is in this one. I got. Ah! This is my third RM photo card, I think. It's cute. It is cute. That goes the back. And a quick look-see. Look at this. Oh my God, I swear to God. Please stop moving. This gorgeous man. Oh, this lighting is so bad. I'm so upset. But look at him. Look at him. This is so pretty. This is the version that I said I was gonna get. If if I was only gonna get one. That's funny. This is such a cute. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't. Oh, sorry. Poster. Okay, now they're just playing with me because now it's the first photo. The first photo is the poster. But there you go. Why are you always squished in the center? But there you go. Woo! This is nice. Okay. Moving all the goods to the side. I don't wanna. Oh my God. Okay. Moving on. Hair looks purple. Okay. Anyways, CD, stickers in the back. I found you. Okay. I get like RM for most of my albums apparently. I think I'm only missing, I think Jungkook. Now that I got Suga in one, I think Jungkook is the only one I don't have a card of. But yeah, that means the last album is the one with the little heart on their cheeks. Oh, I wanted Jins. I really want Jins. Oh my God. But anyways, a little flip see-through. Oh, this is the one with the double-sidedness. I love Taeyeon's hair. There we go. Moving right along to the last album. Poster. Okay, I guess they alternate because this is again second photo. So this is the poster this time. Okay, and oh my God. God, why? Oh no, you're because of the back. Because of the back. Oh, I'm like, why are you ruined? No, but it's because of these lines. Yay! I got Jungkook. That means I have one card of every member now. Yay! I'm not upset. I'm like, I really wanted Jin's, but honestly, I got Jungkook, and that's fine because now I have one of every member, and that is cute. Oh my god, look at this cutie. I hate this. So I was really upset for a second, but then I remembered it's because of this part in the back. That is cute. Ah, very cute. Very, very cute. Oh my god, there you go again. Stop. Quick look through. You know, I'm showing you, but I'm really not looking very well because, you know, except for because I still need to go with this with time. What the fuck is this? Empty pages. Nobody needs that. Nobody needs that. Ugh. But anyways, this is so cute. This is everything. I really didn't think I'd be doing another like album unboxing this year. But these are the photo cards that I got. So you can keep, please. You are making things. I can just move you, I guess. Yeah, does that work? So these are the 4 photo cards I got. Ah, cute. I really do get a lot of Namjoon, but that's fine. I love him too. I love them all. So yeah, I'm really excited. I had to listen to the music video while my lunch break at work because it does not come out at reasonable times here. But it's really good. I'm really excited to hear everything, to hear Epiphany. Apparently I heard that the album version is different, so I'm really excited for that. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the comeback. I hope that you guys, those that are getting albums, get the photo cards that you want, or at least ones that you like in general. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really, really happy. This is nice. This is very nice. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.